Probability, using numbers to describe chance and uncertainty. How many times do we say maybe in a day? Have we ever said, maybe it will rain, or it will probably take about 10 minutes? Imagine that someone asks how long it takes to get to the train station. Almost no one says, it takes exactly 5 minutes. People walk at different speeds, and they may have to wait at traffic lights. So we say, it will probably take about 5 minutes. Why are so many things in the world so hard to predict accurately? Physics has many laws that explain how objects move. In theory, if we knew every condition exactly, we could predict future outcomes. But in reality, it is difficult to know every condition perfectly. The wind may blow, or unexpected factors may appear. Some phenomena are also strongly affected by chance. If a die is rolled, can anyone know in advance which number will appear? Probably not. Does that mean we must simply accept outcomes that depend on chance? Fortunately, it is not. We have a powerful mathematical tool called probability. Probability plays a role throughout our lives, from TV ratings, insurance, weather forecasts, and election predictions to cryptography and lotteries. Even the weather forecast checked each day relies on probability. So, what is probability? Probability expresses the chance that an event will occur as a number. Simply put, it measures how likely something is to happen. For example, what is the probability of rolling a divisor of 6 on a single die? Someone who has not learned probability might think, it could happen or it might not. So is the chance 50-50? Is this really true? A die has 6 possible outcomes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Among them, the divisors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6, giving 4 favorable outcomes. So there are 6 possible outcomes and 4 favorable outcomes. Therefore, the probability is 4 over 6. Simplifying the fraction gives 2/3. The greatest advantage of probability is that it lets us express uncertain events with numbers. Would a weather forecast help if it only said, it might rain or it might not? But when it says, there is an 80% chance of rain, it feels much more reliable. Have we ever rolled a die and seen the same number appear several times in a row? Or heard a story about someone winning the lottery? These events seem to happen by chance. But what if they occur thousands or even tens of thousands of times? By observing them, we can find patterns, and we can express those patterns with a number called probability. So how can we predict the future more accurately? First, gain a wide range of experiences. Who will have a broader perspective? Someone who only plays games, or someone who reads books, travels, and explores new experiences? Second, build a habit of making and testing hypotheses. Ask, what result will this produce? Predict the outcome and compare it with what actually happens. Third, stay open to opinions that differ from your own. To predict the future, we must consider many possibilities. Probability does not tell us the right answer. Instead, it shows us different possibilities. That is why studying probability helps us see the world from many perspectives, not just one. There is a big difference between imagining a room from outside the door and looking inside through a small gap. Probability is like that gap. We cannot see the future perfectly, but through the small gap of probability, we can see an unseen world a little more clearly.